The GoPro Hero12 Black, an action vlogging camera that has taken the market by storm. The Hero12 Black stands out with its support for an external microphone, 2-channel audio, HDR video at a recording time of 70 minutes in 5.3K at 60 FPS. The latest model from GoPro introduces notable features such as the ability to record sound from the camera and an external microphone simultaneously. This dual audio recording allows you to blend sounds during post-production, enhancing the overall audio quality of your footage. The Hero12 Black also incorporates a 1/4-inch thread, providing additional mounting options. With HDR video and 8:7 recording available across all modes, your shooting flexibility is significantly increased. GoPro has also upgraded its wireless functionalities by introducing support for Bluetooth microphones, be it headphones or standalone devices. As the Hero12 Black records audio through its Bluetooth input, remote control of the camera becomes easier than ever. With its dual-channel recording feature, the camera and microphone audio are recorded simultaneously. Another key addition is the timecode sync, which simplifies the editing process when using multiple cameras to create a single video clip. The HDR video feature is a standout, solving issues with overexposed skies and capturing extra details in high-contrast scenes. The Hero12 Black continues GoPro's trend of delivering high-resolution recording, offering up to 5.3K video at 60 FPS or 4K at 120 FPS in standard video mode. For slow motion enthusiasts, you can drop down to 2.7K at 240 FPS. The camera employs the 27MP 8.7 sensor first seen in the Hero11 Black and introduces HyperSmooth 6.0 with a new Auto Boost feature. This innovative technology analyzes the field of view and automatically adjusts stabilization while retaining the 360-degree horizon lock. The Hero12 Black also offers a new light shooting feature, in addition to the stylish light shooting video mode first introduced in the Hero11 Black. The camera maintains GoPro's signature front and rear screens, a removable lens guard, and battery door, along with a micro SD card slot. Good stuff. The Sony A6700 has emerged as a strong contender in the APS-C camera market, standing out as one of the top vlogging cameras in 2024. It boasts a high-resolution 26-megapixel sensor and incorporates some of the best AI features, such as an AI autofocus processor, previously seen in the Sony A7RV and the Sony ZV-E1. This makes the A6700 a powerful tool for precision tracking and superior image capture, especially for underwater videography. If you're familiar with the Sony A6600, you might wonder if upgrading to the A6700 is worth it. While both models offer high-quality performance, the A6700 introduces considerable enhancements. It's fitted with a 26-megapixel APS-C BSI CMOS sensor, compared to the A6600's 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Additionally, the A6700 offers an impressive 759 phase detection points with 93% coverage, while the A6600 provides 425 phase detection points with 84% coverage. One of the most exciting improvements in the Sony A6700 is its advanced autofocus technology. It utilizes the same AI-based autofocus system as the Sony A7RV, powered by a dedicated AI autofocus engine. This results in a significantly more precise focus than previous Sony APS-C models. Although the animal eye autofocus feature is not optimized for fish, it still performs effectively underwater. The A6700 also boasts 5-axis in-body image stabilization, allowing the sensor to slightly adjust to compensate for camera movement and shake during shooting. This ensures steadier footage and sharper images, even in challenging situations. For videographers, the A6700 offers 4K video recording at up to 60p and the option to record 4K at 120p. This allows for the capture of stunning underwater scenes with remarkable clarity and fluidity. Furthermore, the 10-bit 422 internal recording capability of the A6700 ensures every color detail in your underwater videos is preserved, opening up new avenues for creative expression. In conclusion, the Sony A6700 is a significant upgrade to the Sony crop sensor line, offering an array of advanced features at a competitive price. Its exceptional performance and versatility make it a worthy investment for both amateur and professional photographers alike. And now the title of the best overall vlogging camera goes to the Sony ZV-E1. The ZV-E1 makes vlogging a delightful experience with its state-of-the-art technology and user-friendly setting. The heart of this camera is its full-frame 12.1 MP sensor, working in conjunction with Sony's latest Bions XR processor. This powerful duo facilitates high-speed 4K 60p recording, which can be upgraded to 120p. Furthermore, the ZV-E1 boasts an AI processing unit that enhances object recognition, elevating your vlogs to a whole new level. The ZV-E1 stands out as Sony's premier dedicated vlog camera, equipped with a back-illuminated 35mm 12.1 MP CMOS image sensor. This sensor offers an expansive dynamic range of over 15 stops, low noise, high sensitivity, and stunning full-frame bokeh effect. Sony has also integrated a new Bions XR image processor into the ZV-E1. With up to 8 times more processing power, this processor enhances sensitivity, color reproduction, gradation display, and reduces noise. The ZV-E1 also features an AI processing unit designed to handle large amounts of data, resulting in broader and more precise object recognition. The ZV-E1 is compatible with all E-mount lenses, including the top-tier G Master series, known for their extraordinary resolution and world-class bokeh. With focal lengths ranging from 12mm to 1200mm, you're granted exceptional creative control. The ZV-E1's auto-framing function uses AI-based object recognition to automatically crop the frame, keeping the subject in a prominent position. This feature gives the impression that your footage was shot by a professional camera operator even when the camera is on a tripod. In S&Q mode, the ZV-E1 allows for direct slow or fast motion playback at 60p with XAVC-SI, offering a maximum speed of 600 MBs per second for superior image quality. The camera can also achieve up to 10 times slow motion recording in full HD resolution at 240 frames per second when using XAVC-S. The ZV-E1 comes with an intelligent 3-capsule microphone that captures clear sound, including the voice of the main subject. The directionality of the microphone can be set to front, rear, omnidirectional, or automatic based on the recording setting. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best,